Drink olive oil for constipation. What happens to your colon in just 7 days? Olive oil helps relieve constipation, but stay until the end to learn the right way to drink it if you want the best results. Here's something most people never hear. Drinking olive oil doesn't instantly clean out your colon, and it doesn't work like a harsh laxative. Instead, it supports your digestive system through a series of natural processes that may help your colon function more efficiently over time. So what actually happens inside your body after 1 day, 3 days, and 7 days? And why do some people swear by olive oil, while others say it doesn't work at all? The answer might surprise you because it has very little to do with the olive oil itself and everything to do with how your digestive system works. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about what constipation really is. Most people think constipation simply means not having a bowel movement every day, but that's actually a common misconception. Some perfectly healthy people have bowel movements every other day, while others go once a day without any problems. Constipation isn't defined by how often you go. It's defined by how difficult it is to pass stool, whether you're straining, whether the stool is hard and dry, and whether you feel like your bowels haven't completely emptied. That's why constipation often comes with bloating, abdominal discomfort, excessive gas, and that frustrating heavy feeling that seems to linger all day. Now here's where things get interesting. Your colon has one very important job. As food travels through your digestive system, the colon absorbs water from the remaining waste before it's eliminated. That's completely normal. But when the waste moves too slowly, the colon keeps absorbing more and more water. The longer it stays there, the drier and harder the stool becomes. At that point, having a bowel movement requires much more effort, and that's when constipation becomes a real problem. So where does olive oil come into the picture? The moment you swallow extra virgin olive oil, your digestive system immediately recognizes it as a healthy fat. Your stomach begins processing it, and within minutes your small intestine releases hormones that signal your gallbladder to release bile. Most people only associate bile with digesting fat, but bile also helps promote healthy movement throughout the digestive tract. In other words, your digestive system becomes more active, making it easier for food and waste to continue moving naturally instead of slowing down. But that's only part of the story. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, especially oleic acid, along with powerful antioxidants known as polyphenol. These natural compounds have been studied for their role in supporting digestive health and reducing oxidative stress within the body. While olive oil isn't a medication, its healthy fat content may help keep stool softer by supporting normal digestive function. Think of it this way. Imagine trying to slide a dry sponge across a table. It drags and sticks. Now imagine that same sponge with a little moisture. It moves much more easily. Your digestive system works in a similar way. When stool contains adequate moisture and your digestive tract is functioning properly, passing it becomes much easier and far more comfortable. Now let's talk about what may happen over the course of 7 days. During the first day or two, you probably won't experience a dramatic change. That's completely normal. Your digestive system doesn't suddenly transform overnight. However, some people begin noticing that their stomach feels lighter after meals. Others report less bloating or less pressure in the lower abdomen. These are subtle signs that digestion may be becoming more efficient. By the 3rd or 4th day, things often become more noticeable. If you've also been drinking enough water and eating fiber-rich foods, your stool may become softer and easier to pass. You might notice you're spending less time in the bathroom and straining less than before. For many people, this is the point where they realize their digestive system simply feels more comfortable throughout the day. By the 6th and 7th day, some people begin experiencing more regular bowel movements. They wake up without that heavy feeling. Their abdomen feels less bloated. Bathroom visits become more predictable, and they often feel like they've completely emptied their bowels. While everyone's body is different, these gradual improvements make much more sense than expecting a dramatic overnight result. But here's something extremely important. Olive oil does not detox your colon. It does not remove mysterious toxins from your body. It does not scrape waste off the walls of your intestines, despite what you may have seen on social media. Your liver, kidneys, and digestive system are already incredibly effective at removing waste from your body. Olive oil supports healthy digestion. It doesn't perform magic. Understanding this difference helps set realistic expectations and prevents disappointment. So why do some people say olive oil doesn't work? In many cases, the answer has nothing to do with the olive oil itself. Imagine pouring high-quality motor oil into a car that has no fuel. The engine still won't run properly. The same principle applies here. If you're dehydrated, eating very little fiber, spending most of the day sitting, and relying on highly processed foods, 1 tablespoon of olive oil isn't going to solve the entire problem. Constipation is usually the result of several lifestyle factors working together, which means improving it often requires several healthy habits working together as well. Now let's discuss the right way to use olive oil. One of the biggest mistakes people make is assuming that more is better. It isn't. Drinking large amounts of olive oil can cause stomach discomfort or diarrhea without providing additional benefits. For most healthy adults, about 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil per day is generally enough. Many people prefer taking it in the morning before breakfast, while others simply include it with a healthy meal. The timing isn't nearly as important as consistency. Using it regularly as part of an overall healthy diet is far more beneficial than taking large amounts occasionally. And don't forget the essentials that make olive oil much more effective. Drink enough water every day because water helps keep stool soft. Eat plenty of fruits, vegetables, beans, lentils, oats, chia seeds, flax seeds, and whole grains because fiber adds bulk and helps move waste through the intestines. Stay physically active because even a 20 or 30-minute walk can stimulate healthy bowel function. These habits work together, and that's when olive oil has the greatest opportunity to support your digestive system. Now let's answer another common question. Is olive oil safe for everyone? For most healthy adults, yes, when consumed in normal dietary amounts. However, if you're experiencing severe abdominal pain, persistent constipation lasting several weeks, blood in your stool, unexplained weight loss, vomiting, or constipation that alternates with severe diarrhea, those symptoms should never be ignored. They may indicate an underlying medical condition that requires evaluation by a healthcare professional. Home remedies are appropriate for occasional constipation, but persistent symptoms deserve proper medical attention. There's also another benefit many people don't expect. When you replace less healthy fats with extra virgin olive oil as part of a balanced diet, you're not only supporting digestive health. You're also providing your body with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats and natural antioxidants that have been associated with overall cardiovascular health. In other words, improving your digestion may simply be one of several positive effects of making olive oil a regular part of your meals. So what's the bottom line? Can olive oil help relieve constipation? For many people, absolutely. But not because it's a miracle cure. It works by supporting your body's natural digestive processes, encouraging smoother movement through the intestines, and helping create the conditions for healthier bowel movements when combined with proper hydration, adequate fiber, regular physical activity, and an overall healthy lifestyle. That's the real secret, not one ingredient, but several healthy habits working together. Now I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever tried olive oil for constipation? Did you notice a difference after a few days? Share your experience in the comments below because your story could help someone else who's searching for a natural solution. And if you enjoyed today's video and learned something new, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next science-backed health video. Thanks for watching, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to like channel to follow all new